SPX, 52-week highs, daily chart. I can tell you right now, we are overbought and we can go a little bit higher, but I will tell you, it's time to sell. There will be a big pullback and a correction within the next couple of weeks. And we always tell people, take profits at the highs and sell into the move. It's had an extraordinary run. The AI sector, AI chips, have been pushing it higher and higher along with some of the internet names. And we had a lot of big plays. Let Tommy Trader guide you. Let me take you down that one road called the winning road. So we're overbought and we're going to get ready and we're going to go short the SPX within the next day or so. As we get more overbought, the market will reset itself and we're looking for at least a 7% pullback, and we're right at that psychological 5,000 level on the SPX.